Hello friends, welcome to our channel Anant Infinite Knowledge. Today's first word root is cant, which means song. Our first word is canto, which means a section of a long poem. For example, Dante's Divine Comedy has 100 cantos. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is incantation, which means words that are repeated together several times because they are thought to have special power. For example, voices chanting their mysterious incantation. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is canticle, which means chant, usually with a biblical text that forms a regular part of a church service. For example, people often sing canticles when they are at church. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is cantor, which means a person who leads a group of singers in a church. For example, he is regularly in demand as a synagogue cantor. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word root is kept, which means take, receive. Our next word is capture, which means to catch someone so that they become your prisoner. Another meaning is to get control of something from an opponent in business or politics. Another meaning is to record an event in a film or photograph. For example, most of the men had been either killed or captured. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is captivity, which means a situation in which wild animals are kept in a place such as park or zoo instead of living in their natural environment. Another meaning is a situation in which a person is being kept as a prisoner. For example, the girl should be released from captivity immediately. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is captivate, which means to attract or interest someone very much. For example, their romance captivated the whole country. Remember this word by relating this picture. Our next word is captor, which means someone who is keeping you as a prisoner. For example, the men fought their captors and escaped. Remember this word by relating this picture. Thank you, friends.